Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 E350 4MATIC. This one's a diamond silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the wheel package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you a sports interior and exterior look, sports suspension, a black MB-Tex interior sunroof. Coming around back, got a rear spoiler, E350 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a comfort box for extra storage, fresh set of clean floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with a burl walnut wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, tidal shifters for extra performance. Let's start it up. Navigation, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This E350 has 99,365 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350, check out feldmanimports.com.